Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lacombe, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move requires more planning and workforce to complete a long-distance shift. It also requires permits and licenses to travel to other states or countries. However, our firm already has a good working relationship with local and federal authorities, so they have given us a permit to travel around and shift without any further delay. Moreover, being the best long-distance mover, our firm has BBB accreditation, while we offer free estimates to all residents in Lacombe. So, if you're also searching for a qualified moving company for your long-distance move, hire 3 Movers. They have qualified movers who can easily coordinate your shift while providing a seamless experience in return. Although people do not prefer hiring professional services for a local move, the shifting process is the same for short and long-distance moves. Handling fragile and heavy items without any prior experience can harm you or may cause wear and tear. So rather than doing it all by yourself and creating a risky situation, prefer hiring professionals like 3 Movers and completing your local shift in one day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lacombe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, military moving, residential moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.